What do we have here? This is Leo's friend, Excavator Scoop. Excavators can dig holes with their big buckets. Try to put all the parts together. Wheel, 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 cabin, arm part, lamp, another arm part, bucket. Excellent! What do we have here? This is a road roller. It uses its heavy roller to flatten hot asphalt. What a mess! We use these parts to build a vehicle. Roller, wheel, wheel, cabin and chair, engine and steering console, frame, roller, cabin and chair, exhaust pipe. Excellent! Let's have a look. Aha! This is a tow truck. It is very strong. It can pull other vehicles. Try to put all the parts together. Wheels, wheels, bumper, cabin, arm, platform, platform, seats, platform, 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 cabin, seats, seats, steering console, rope and hook, arm, rope and hook, bumper, cabin, bumper. It turned out so well!